the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making lasagna soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are beef broth, sea salt, beef bouillon powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, garlic powder, Mrs. Dash garlic and herb, Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper flakes, that's optional, parsley flakes, basil, diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, ground beef, shredded mozzarella cheese, minced garlic cloves, onion, ricotta cheese, grated parmesan cheese, tomato paste, sugar, and lasagna. I will be giving you the exact measurements as we go along through the video, and also it will be in my description box below. Okay guys, we're going to start off with our ricotta cheese mixture. So we're going to need 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 1 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning, 1/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, crushed red pepper flakes, that's optional, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Okay, I'm going to start off with putting my dry ingredients. The parsley flakes, basil, garlic powder, onion powder, Mrs. Dash garlic and herb, and our salt, and also our red pepper flakes. If you don't want to add that, that's fine, it's optional. And all I'm going to do now is mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, next I'm going to add in my 4th cup of Parmesan cheese, and also my mozzarella cheese. I'm just going to mix until it's well combined. Okay guys, once you're done, you want to go ahead and give it a taste. If you need to add any more seasoning, this is the time to do it. After you're done, all we're going to do is place a lid on top, and we're going to place it into our refrigerator. Here I have 4 cups of beef broth, 1 tablespoon of the beef bouillon powder, 1 onion chopped, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and also 2 pounds of ground beef. Okay guys, in a heated Dutch oven, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onion, and I'm going to saute that for 2 minutes. You want your temperature to be on medium-low heat. Next, we're going to add in our minced garlic. You want to saute that, for 1 minute. Now we're going to add in our 2 pounds of ground beef. And all you want to do is go ahead and break it and make sure it mixes well with the onion and garlic. Now all you want to do is cook your ground beef until all of it is brown. Once your ground beef is all brown, you want to drain it of all excess grease. Once you've drained all the grease from it, you want to return your ground beef back to the pot. Now we're going to add in our beef bouillon powder, our ground black pepper, our onion powder, Italian seasoning, our garlic powder, and also some red pepper flakes. Remember, that's optional. And you're going to mix until well combined. And we're also going to be adding in our tablespoon of tomato paste. Now you want to add in your 4 cups of beef broth. We're going to mix until well combined, and we're going to bring it to a light boil. Okay guys, once it comes to a light boil, you want to lower your heat down, and we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. Okay guys, now you want to add in your diced tomatoes. You want to add in a 14.5 ounce can. You want to add in a 30 ounce can of tomato sauce. One tablespoon of parsley and 1 tablespoon of basil. You also want to add, now this is up to you, about a tablespoon of sugar, and we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Also guys, this is the time to taste it now to see if it's to your preference. This is when you can add more seasoning if you would like. Guys, I'm going to make a correction. It's a 28 ounce can of tomato sauce. I'm sorry about that. Now you want to take your lasagna noodles and just break them into 3. And we're going to go ahead and add them in. And we're using about 8 noodles. It's really up to you guys if you want to add more or not. It depends on how much noodles you want in your soup. And we're just going to mix that until it's well combined. Okay guys, once you have tasted everything and it's to your liking, we're just going to go ahead and place our lid over top, and we're going to let that simmer for 15 minutes. Okay guys, our lasagna soup is ready. I just wanted to show you how delicious that looks. Okay guys, so you want to bring out the ricotta cheese mixture and just get an ice cream scooper. And you want to place it right on top of your lasagna soup. Now I have some parsley flakes. I'm just going to go around it and add a little bit of color to it. Gives it a nice little pop of color. Okay guys, so here we have it, our lasagna soup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.